Good day, sir, ma'am. I'm Perlin Moscosa, 33 years old, born and raised in the Philippines. I am a single parent of a 10 years old boy who is living with my parents in the Philippines. I have six siblings, three brothers and three sisters, and I am the youngest. I finished Bachelor of Elementary Education year 2017 in the Philippines. I've worked at Riyadh, Saudi Arabia as an all-around housemaid for 2 years. There are seven members of the family, the couple and the five children with them. My main duties there are to clean the house, washing and ironing their clothes, and cooking food for them. And now, I'm here at Dubai, United Arab of Emirates for 3 years, working as a nanny for a 5 years old girl and a 1 year old boy. My main duties here are to take care of them, bathing and changing them dress or diaper, feeding them, playing with them, and I am taking the girl to school by bus and bringing her to the house by bus also, and I am teaching her some basic lectures. If you will allow me to be part of your household, I can assure you that I will be respectful, that I am a trustworthy and an honest person. I will obey all of your roles in your house. I am willing to learn everything so I can reach your expectations. And I am looking for a long term employment. I will stay in your house as long as you need me. Thank you.